Hey everyone, so we're going to do a 16 by 20. I'm doing leftover paint pours this week. I'm trying to use up some of the paints that have been sitting here. Some of them have been sitting here actually since October, and they are working fabulously, so I thought we would just, let's use them up and we'll start out fresh next week. So on this pour, I'm going to use black, metallic purple, dioxazine purple. This is an amethyst color that's metallic, a rose shimmer, white. This is just a craft paint pink. I think it's Butler pink, and I'm going to throw in some silver metallic as well. So I'm going to use 3 cups. And give them a good squirt of WD-40 silicone spray. That's the can there, the black can. Normally I would rub this in, but since I'm doing a dirty pour, it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to start with black. All my paints have treadmill silicone in them. And you can buy this on Amazon as well. There's different types out there. You don't have to buy the green and white jar. Or you can use dimethicone. It's 100% silicone. Okay, so I think I want to start with the rose shimmer since I don't have a lot of that. That'll be one of the last colors out of the cup. And I'm going to follow that with the pink. Black and pink always come out pretty together. We'll see how they come out in a pour. Actually, a little more. Use them up. Okay. And I'm going to follow that with the amethyst. It's a little on the runny side. Metallics either get super thick as they sit or they thin out for some reason. They don't stay the consistency that you initially mixed them up into. Alright, then I'm going to cover that with white. And this white does not have silicone in it. Let me just give it a drop. Do a little layering there. A lot of it is going down though, so. I've definitely wanted white in this paint to break up the pink and purple together. I wasted a 5-ounce cup. These things are like gold to me for flipping drags. Okay. So let's put the let's go with the dioxazine purple next. And we'll do the metallic purple. Use that up too. So there'll be a lot of metallic in this painting because the next will be my silver. Actually, you know what? I think I might put a little black. top of that. And we'll pop the silver on top. We're going to actually shove it down through. So we're going to pour up high. Ugh, bubble. Alright, I'll give them one quick stir. We are ready to pour. Okay, here we go. There's some pink. Wow. Black is definitely there, but it's probably going to move around a bit. I'm just torching it, get the air bubbles out, and see if we got any more cells. Popping lots of bubbles. Okay, let's see what we can do with this mess. Because it's not pretty yet. So I'm going to roll it around and fill up all my empty spots. And I think I'm going to come to this corner towards me. Bring it back to the middle. And I'm going to head down there. Interesting. Not as pretty as the last one we did. But the cells aren't popping up yet, so I'm hoping this big black here band there will get some cells. Something's trying to come up. Alright, let's give it a torch. Whoops, I shut it off. That's purples over there, really celled up great, but it's not very pretty. And I'm not digging this pink here, so I think I'm going to pour this pink down a little bit. Got nothing coming up through that black. So I'm going to bring it this way a little bit. And I have that big gob of purple down there. It does have some cells in it though. Get rid of that white gob I had there. Okay, I'm gonna leave that alone. She's not beautiful, but she's pretty. I kind of jammed up the cells there. Okay, I'm hoping this silver is going to sink. I see a lot of cells underneath. That corner is very busy. And that white is starting to sink there. We're getting more purple there. This pink in the middle here is kind of cool. And then the silver here on this corner here is starting to sink. So we should get some more cells there too. But other than that, it's pretty busy. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Click below on the subscribe button and click the bell next to it to be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. And you can join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And if you have any questions, if I can't answer them here, if you got something that's longer, that you need to type quite a bit, you can go ahead and send me a message through Facebook and I will get back to you within 24 hours. So everybody have a great day and I will see you on the next one. Bye now.